Hi everyone, hope everything is great with you and you are having an amazing day. Welcome to a new video where we learn how to use Premast Plus brand kit and collections inside PowerPoint. So stay focused and let's start it. First, we will start with brand kit. Brand kit helps you to manage your brand assets and access them inside PowerPoint, which in return will help you create brand presentations and encourage your team to do the same too. For sure, it will help keep the consistency of your business presentations as special ones which have your own company signature. The fact that with few clicks in PowerPoint you can add your brand logo, use your brand font and apply your brand color makes it easy and efficient for everyone has access to use. And now let's get to it. We will choose a slide to change its element by using the brand assets in the brand kit. So for example, we can choose theme slide. The first thing you would probably like to change is the logo, of course. So we will remove that, the old one, and we will click on the brand kit icon at the plugin. Once we click on the brand kit icon, we will find a brand that's called Premast, which contains logos, colors, typography, and images. Any brand kit you will create will have the same elements, and anyone you will invite will also have access to the same elements. Of course, you can do all of this using Premast Plus web app. And now let's click on logos. Here's different styles. I will choose this one. Adjust it and put it in the top middle. And here we are, added the logo. And now we will see how we can add images. Click on images. Here we have 3 images for the brand. Let's choose the one our CEO Mu'min Al-Shami is in it. We can resize the image and use it however we want. Another way to use images from the brand kit is using image placeholder. And since we are using a theme slide, let's replace John Doe image with Samir Sulaiman, our operation manager. We will click on John Doe image, delete it, and click on Samir's image. Here we go, it's added. All we have to do now is adjust the layers. From picture format, we will just click send backwards. And here we are. And that's how you can use images in the brand kit. Next, to using typography. When you click on typography in the brand kit, you will find the fonts you uploaded to your brand kit, and you can choose any one you want to apply to the slide. In order to use a font that you have uploaded to your brand kit, you need to install it to your device. So step by step, we will do it together now. Choose a font and directly a download tab will be opened. Click on save. It will be downloaded to your device. Click on it and here it is. Click install font. And now the font Roboto is available on the device. At this point, you may need to refresh your device first to make sure that the font is already on it. And then let's change the font of the title. Write Roboto. I think when you write like RO, it suddenly appeared. Click on it, and here it is. And that's how we use typography in brand kit and use the fonts of our brand. Last but not least, colors in the brand kit inside PowerPoint. How you can use and apply your color palette in your presentations. When you click on colors, you will find the color palette you uploaded to your brand kit on the web app. So this is Premast brand color palette. You can view colors as RGB or as hex. Let's try and change the color of the title. We'll highlight the text, choose the color that we want to use, and there is a couple of ways you can copy and paste the code, or you can just click copy and it will be directly on your clipboard. Let's paste the code and click OK, and here it is. And now let's have a quick view over collections and how can you use it inside PowerPoint. On the web app, when you create new collection or upload any files, you will directly find them inside PowerPoint. Let's upload Premast logo, for example. Inside PowerPoint, click on collections icon, and here we have templates that we have uploaded and the logo, and even a collection with the name Premast. When you click on the templates, it will directly be downloaded to your PowerPoint, like this. You can use whatever you want from them, edit them, and enjoy your personal files. And of course, you can share your brand kit and your collection with anyone by inviting, or in collection by using the external link. That's it, guys. That's all what you need to know about using the brand kit and the collection inside the PowerPoint. Enjoy using Premast and see you in another video.